Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove zinc from clothes. Zinc stains, often from sunscreen or diaper cream, can be tricky but are manageable with the right approach. The key is to act promptly before the stain fully sets into the fabric fibers. We'll cover simple steps using common household items to help restore your clothes. Let's get started on making those garments look fresh again. First, carefully remove any excess zinc from the fabric surface. Use a dull knife or the edge of a spoon to scrape it away without spreading the stain further. Next, apply a small amount of liquid dish soap directly onto the affected area. Dish soap is excellent for breaking down oily residues. Gently work the soap into the stain using your fingers or a soft bristled brush, ensuring good coverage. After pre-treating, prepare a soaking solution. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 2 parts water in a basin. Submerge the stained portion of the garment into this solution, allowing it to soak for at least 30 minutes. This helps to further break down the zinc. Following the soak, wash the item in cold water using your usual laundry detergent. Cold water is crucial to prevent the stain from setting permanently. Before placing the garment in the dryer, carefully inspect the area where the stain was. Heat from a dryer can permanently set any remaining zinc, making it much harder to remove later. If you still see any traces of the stain, repeat the pre-treatment and washing steps. Patience is key for stubborn stains. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope your clothes are now zinc-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.